Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the StarParks app. StarParks is an innovative cloud gaming platform that lets you enjoy hundreds of PC and console games directly on your mobile device. Imagine turning your phone into a powerful gaming console, giving you access to a massive library of titles like Grand Theft Auto 5 and FIFA 23, all without needing expensive hardware or lengthy downloads. It's truly gaming on the go. To begin your gaming journey, simply open the StarParks app and log in. You'll find an extensive game library featuring over 400 titles, including more than 200 AAA games from popular platforms such as Steam, PlayStation 4, and Xbox One. The best part is, there are no downloads or installations required, so you can jump straight into playing your favorite games like Elden Ring or Marvel's Spider-Man. StarParks uses virtual on-screen controls, mimicking a traditional gamepad layout for a familiar experience. While external controllers are not currently supported, the virtual buttons are quite intuitive. You can enjoy free play sessions for a limited time to try out different games. For unlimited gameplay, a larger catalog, and an enhanced experience, consider a VIP subscription, which offers flexible plans starting from as low as 49 cents. To optimize your StarParks experience, especially with queue times, try playing during off-peak hours, like late at night, when fewer users are active. Some users also find that connecting to a VPN server in the USA or Canada can help reduce waiting times. Additionally, you can earn extra free play minutes by completing daily check-ins and watching short video advertisements within the app, extending your gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.